Welcome back. We're following a breaking news alert. Storms on the West Coast causing damage, evacuations, accidents too.
Peyton, Kennedy, you tracking this now? The WKRN.com alert desk. Peyton, good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, several states impacted here. A rare October storm dropped several inches of rain on Southern California Tuesday, caused accidents on the freeway and evacuations in areas that have been hit by wildfires due to the high risk of mudslides there. So this video is from Arizona. In Tempe, a microburst and thunderstorm dropped about a half-inch of rain within 10 minutes on Monday. The Weather Service says that storm uprooted trees that then fell onto vehicles and buildings. A business complex had its roof torn off and thousands of homes lost power. You can see here one example where first responders rescued a driver who got caught in those floodwaters. And in Colorado, this footage showing lightning flashing across the night sky during scattered thunderstorms. There were evacuation orders and closed schools on Tuesday. And in Alaska, over the weekend, a typhoon brought hurricane-force winds and storm surges, as well as floodwaters that swept away some homes. We're told one person died and more than 50 people had to be rescued, according to authorities. For breaking news around the clock, you can head to WKRN.com.